Hi, this is Pooja and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well and are taking care of yourself. So before moving into the video, I want to talk about that Mera link which I have provided in the description box below, and they have some amazing collection of traditional and western wear at amazing prices, and they offer some good discounts and deals on their website, and plus their return and refund policy is also good, so definitely check that Mera link once. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 super versatile jeans which you should have in your wardrobe. So in my opinion, these 5 jeans are super versatile as you can pair it with anything starting from tops, crop tops, bodysuits and whatnot. Apart from that, I do feel like you can wear these jeans anywhere like shopping, dinner, brunch date or any outing. So before I start telling about the jeans, I do want to share some terms which will come across while shopping for jeans. So that's basically high-rise, mid-rise and low-rise jeans. So starting from high-rise jeans are a pair of jeans which sits right on your navel or above it, while mid-rise jeans sits just below the navel, while the last one, that's low-rise jeans, it will be like right somewhere just above the hip bone. Now the next terms which you must have heard are light wash, dark washed and medium wash. These are basically the shades of jeans. So basically light wash jeans is light blue jeans, medium wash is somewhere between light blue to dark blue, and dark wash is something which is very versatile piece and you can call it formal also. And there are a lot of names which jeans are divided into, for example mom jeans, dad jeans, boyfriend jeans and a lot more. I mean, there are tons of names which I may not be aware of, so anyways, that will not impact our video. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so now the first pair of jeans you must have is this skinny fit light blue jeans. Now by skinny fit, I doesn't mean that jeans in which you can't even sit properly and it's very uncomfortable. And in that case, the flexibility is very less. Even I don't like those flimsy jeans which are not comfortable and the fabric is not good. So here I'm talking about this very nice light wash jeans. Now you can see these are perfect high-rise jeans. The shade is very nice. It can go with anything. In fact, if you wear only a basic plain white top above this, then it will look like you have taken some efforts to style it. It's a perfect light wash jeans and the fitting is very nice, and it's one of my favorite light wash jeans. So yes, and I'm in the size 34 for this, and this is from this brand called Forever New. It's a little expensive, but I'll definitely provide the alternate options you can go for in the same category of jeans from different brands. So I'll try to mention the brands which are affordable and are good quality also, so that you can buy as per your budgets. So this is the best jeans you can go for. I'll definitely recommend this brand, but this is little expensive. Still, I think investing in, because those jeans are long lasting, they're good quality, they're comfortable and you feel confident in it. So yes, this is the perfect light wash skinny fit jeans I'll recommend. Okay, so the second must have jeans which you should have in your wardrobe is this medium washed high-rise jeans, and again it's a skinny fit high-rise jeans. And skinny fit jeans make you look taller. You can actually create an illusion of taller look because these are perfect. These high-waisted skinny rise jeans, you can pair it with almost any kind of top or bodysuit, t-shirts, because this is perfect for some semi-formal function, or you can wear this for shopping, lunch date, outing and for dinner as well, because this is perfect. The quality of the fabric is very nice, and again it's a high-rise jeans and it's a very good quality fabric. So here you can see the stretchability of the fabric is very nice, because of which you can even sit down on the floor with no uncomfortable feeling. And again, the finishing of the jeans is very nice. The quality you can see, it's one button jeans. So in center you can see it is light washed and it's in this beautiful shade of blue. Again, it's a very versatile piece, and again this will make your wardrobe super versatile because you can wear it anywhere. So I prefer ankle length jeans or crop jeans because they make you look taller and they give the perfect nice neat look, and you can pair it with sneakers, you can go for heels. So I think this is the best pair of jeans you must have in your wardrobe. Okay, so the next jeans is this perfect high-rise black skinny fit jeans. You can also go for mom jeans or boyfriend jeans in this case. This is the perfect high-rise black skinny fit jeans which you might be looking for. Fit is great, the quality is great. Again, the fabric is super stretchable, the quality is amazing. It's not from those uncomfortable black high-rise jeans category. The quality is amazing. Again, this is from Forever New brand, but there are multiple options available in market. You can go for those. but definitely invest in one good high-rise jeans as they will last longer, plus they will give you one comfortable and confident look. So I think this is the best pair of jeans you can go for, and this you can wear with your crop tops, as crop tops are trending and we all love to wear crop tops, but at the same time we don't want to show our skin much, so you can go for this as this will take care of the skin revealing portion. Plus you can wear your favorite crop tops along with this and you'll be ready to step outside and pair this with your favorite white sneakers, because I feel this is the best look you can have for your brunch dates. So moving on to the next must-have jeans. Okay, so the next pair of must-have jeans is this beautiful white denim jeans, and I feel this is the best jeans I have with me. Like in past I've already purchased more white jeans, but they were uncomfortable. That was not a perfect fit for me, and I don't used to feel confident in them because it was always a hassle of finding some tops which can actually suit that jeans. But this is not the case with this jeans, as this is super stretchable, the fit is very nice, the look is amazing, and I think this is the best jeans, and I think this is the best pair of white jeans available for your body type, because in my opinion Indian types are different and they need that special attention to their bodies in case of jeans. So whenever I wear this, I got a lot of questions from you people that from where I bought this, but don't find. I know this is expensive, but go and buy during the sale, because I think there was 50% off when I bought these jeans. So yes, and this I bought for 2200 or something, and this and I feel this is worth the money I spent on this, because this you can wear a lot of time and still it feels like new. That's why I invest in good jeans. You will have no issues of those improper fitting. So yes, perfect. So yes, perfect white pair of jeans which you must have in your wardrobe. Okay, so now the next jeans is this grey jeans, and it's in this baggy look. This is from this brand called Tokyo Talkies, and I'm in the size 34 for this. So I'll not say you must have this type of pattern in your wardrobe, but definitely go for this kind of baggy grey jeans, because this again goes with a lot of tops you wear, and this goes very well with your black tops. So I usually like shades of blue more in case of jeans, but I feel investing in one grey jeans can make you look classy, because I think you should have this kind of jeans in your wardrobe which is medium wash, which is high rise, and the fit is baggy, so that you can wear your tight tops with this and you'll be good to go. And before going, do check that Mera link which I've already provided in the description box below. They have some amazing traditional and western clothes collection that which you can shop online, and return and refund policy is also good, so you can trust them. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Bye, we'll see you next time.
Mm-hmm.